Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Redmi 15. Okay, so first, before we begin, let's make sure that in the settings, when we scroll down and when we click on the Google, that we are logged in into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because there's a chance that if you are not logged in into the proper account, you won't be able to restore your chat, so simply log in into the proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. I just downloaded it to show you. Now select your language, then click on this green arrow, click on agree to continue, click on allow. Now in this bar type your phone number. If you don't know what it is, you can always click on what's my number. So that's what I'm going to do right now. We need to also verify our phone number. We have a few ways how we can do it. We can use the code from the SMS message, or for example we can use the missed call. So simply select your method. Okay, I am almost done. Alright, and once you have verified, you should have something like that. Contacts and media. Now in here, simply click on continue, click on allow, allow, and allow all. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see when the last backup was made, also its size, and the account on which we made that backup. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I'm currently logged in the settings of my device. So everything is fine. Now click on restore, and remember that if you don't restore your chats right now, you won't be able to do it later. So you should do this right now. Now let's simply wait until it's finished for the message restored. Now click on next. In here type your name. If you want, you can also change the profile photo by clicking on that icon. Then click on next. And now, as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and the photos, has been successfully restored on our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.